Federal government don reaffirm their commitment to initiate site characterization and remediation for 15 complex sites for Ogoniland. For their talk with Tori People project coordinator, hydrocarbon pollution remediation project Nenibarini Zambe come chook mouth on wetin dem intend to do for the 15 high-risk sites for Ogoniland and the people wey go work on them.
If you look at the UNEP report, the CCOCAN is one of the sites that UNEP reported high concentration of benzene, I think 900 times above the permissible limit. And so the contamination is both in the soil and in groundwater. And as you can see, this is a residential area where the contamination is under people's houses, it's under community artifacts, shrines, churches, and schools. So dealing with this kind of site requires high level of safety precautions. Now UNEP data are baseline data, but between when UNEP did the study and now, things have changed. Environmental conditions are dynamic, they are never static, and so the site characterization of this site and other high-risk complex site will give us the true picture of the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of the site.
Representative of Jama remediation firm Harry Yikangas come assure the people of Ogoniland say them go collaborate with local communities throughout the process and go share knowledge and ideas with indigenous environmental experts.
We will definitely not come here by ourselves. We definitely look forward to working with the local people and local team members and definitely like that. It doesn't make any sense for us to bring everything from Germany and all the people from Germany. We really look forward to good cooperation with the Ogoni people and the Hyper.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.